Okay.
And go.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! Ako po si Halle. Ito po si Dwaine.
Welcome everybody back to part 2 or episode 2 ng The Halle Show. Ready ka na ba, Darla? Oy, Darla.
Ay, Darla! Saan ka daw?
Ladies and gentlemen, sit back, relax, and enjoy The Halle Show Manila Edition.
Darla! We have 4 things here. Ito, ew! Ito, sarap.
Ito yung favorite ni Darla. Yum! Okay, so this one, pork fried siomai. It's pork.
Pork.
Yeah.
It's pork, okay.
Fish ball.
Oh, it smells so bad.
Smells so good. This one is called Tokneneng. Ah! Wait.
What?
Wait. Tokneneng.
Tokneneng.
Good, perfect. This one is Kikiam. I don't know what Kikiam is. Can we search? Google, Darla. So this is the chili sauce with the vinegar. Hinalo ko. Kasi yan yung favorite ko. Hinahalo-halo yung maanghang at saka maalat. Maasim.
Sige, salamat, Darla. Oh, that hurts too much. It's too much. It's too much. So bad. Oh, it's so bad. It just got worse. It just got really bad. Oh, it's so bad. It's so bad. It's really bad now. Oh. Can I have some water?
Nasobrahan siya sa sauce.
This one. What's this one again? Darla.
That is fish ball.
Oh.
You can do it, Halle. Fish ball.
If I'm gonna die by
You're not
eating
gonna
this.
die. Kumusta, Halle?
Mabaho pero sarap. Pork shawarma. This one is like really.
It's fried.
You got two at the same time. Kumusta? Any good?
I don't know. It tastes like.
Pork?
No, it tastes like. Pop. I don't know.
Tastes like popcorn.
Okay, this one. What's this one?
Tokneneng.
Tokneneng. Is it fish?
Egg.
Ah, egg. Okay.
See how you go with that one, Halle. Here we go.
It's egg, isn't it? It's boiled egg. Ako nakakain, Darla. Kain na tayo. Kain tayo. I can eat this. Is it egg inside, diba?
I don't know.
The Halle Show today was an epic fail. So, unang Halle Show kasi puro na lang Filipino snacks ang kinain niya. Nagustuhan niya. Okay? But Filipino street food, parang... ewan. Parang kay Shanta masarap. Si Halle hindi sanay sa street food. You like Tokneneng, Shanta? Alright.
As much as I love the Philippines and the food, this is not good for me. Salamat po! Thank you for watching The Halle Show! Kita-kits! Sulod!
Sunod! Sa sunod!
Sa sunod!
Yeah! Alright, Dwaine the fam, kita-kits sa sunod na video natin. Bye-bye for now.
You're beautiful, shine like a star. You got me falling slowly, and I'm crashing into